How to Google like a pro prof 10 Google search tips and tricks. So easily tips to Google like a pro. So generate and type infographic post charts download resource saves this resource. Okay. So for education, click news library project. Okay. So like Lips Nation, welcome to Newslit Nation Education. Join Newslight Nation NLP News Literacy Education Network. Here you can gain a sense for belonging exchange go best uh, parties with collection in the field and enjoy part and increative to support in your classroom register today. Okay, so media uh, literacy digital uh, citizenship virtual event join NLPS news literacy ambassador James Eastern Cell of Intelcect you welcome for a free virtual event providing best parties for media literacy and digital citizenship for K-12 collection and adult education. So study April to from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. CT. So the internet inconceivable largely in fact it's essentially indulges sometime it's easy to find the information you need but often trying to find something specific can be overwhelming and feel like looking for needly in a hashtag. So we partnered with disinformation research expert Candy Otis. So also the authorized to track or false a CLS analytics guide to spotting fake news to bring you its tips and can be help you improve your search result and zero in on out what you are looking for more quickly. This advanced searching skill can also help you work your way back to the original source of specific claim, squad, photo and video uh, critical step. So, in fact, checking things you are unsure about online. Okay, so this advanced searching skill can also help you work your way back to the original source of special claim poetics, photo and video, statistical step, in fact, checking things you are unsure about online. These infographics factors hyperlinked explain search that demonstrate actually how to result will look when you apply this its tips. So use quotation mix to search for web page containing the expert words. Limit your result to news from standard basis source. Use basis boolean operators like and or to combine search item. So narrow the time first. You result to a specific data and search for result on specific website. Search for event more specifics. Uh, Result your subdomain or sub directly or website. Use exclude specific item from result. Remember, effective searching is as much about immediately the result you don't need as it is hiding the ones you do. Applying this is tips can help you clear away the clutter of result you don't need which make uh, homings in on the result you do need much elsewhere. So downloadable resource. Join our fight for facts email sign up. How so your support download LTE need. So Google Like Pro. So download resource and global education. Click so global education our global education service while a news library project remain. So thank you everyone.